My name is Keith Stever. I'm a welder at Holloway. I build all kinds of different tanks, round tanks, square tanks, single-use or multi-use tanks. I started back in October of 17 here. It was my senior year of high school, so I was working second shift. We know Ralph Moore as a family friend, and he knew that I wanted to get into the welding field. And as soon as I turned 18, started, and been here ever since. Just interested me at a young age, and I saw it and said, that's what I want to do. Before I started here, I worked at another company, and I did some fabrication in the shop there. I took more of an interest to doing that part of it than that actual job, and knew that was something that I wanted to do. I went to the welding program at OTC my junior and senior year of high school. I graduated with my certificate in welding. Welding is definitely a skill. There's definitely an art to it. It's nothing you can just pick up overnight and say, I want to do this. It's definitely an acquired skill. It takes practice. There's more to it than you might think. Well, when I've had thoughts before about do I want to work my way up into an office position, or do I want to be in the shop forever, I like building things. I like seeing the finished product come together, and from seeing it start out as a dull, flat piece of metal turned into a shiny piece of artwork. Everybody else might just see a tank, but it's cool to me. I like seeing the finished product. I've built a lot of strong relationships with people I currently work with and do work with, and some of my best friends now are guys that I work with and people you see every day and you're with every day, and that's one of the things that makes it such a great place to work is the people. Everybody's nice, easy to get along with, and it makes being at work so much better than it could be. Being around people that you don't want to be around, and a lot of other jobs, where people are miserable at or something. But one thing about the shop is everybody seems so happy all the time, and it makes it a lot better for everyone else, really.